Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change default file format when saving in Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you often share Microsoft Office file with people using older version of Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you might want to change the default file format for saving so you don't have to constantly change it as at its save time. So how to do it is so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Word. Now, you can open your file, and if you want to change the file format, you can go to the file in here. Click on options on the bottom right here, and you'll find there is an option save. You can just click on that. Here, save file in this format. You can choose if you want to use Word macro enabled document, Word this one, Word template. You can choose in here. So when you save your file on your Word, the format will be automatically changed to this format that you choose. Don't forget to click on OK. And done, you have changed your file default file format when saving on Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.